Today, we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Chase Rack Tire Rack Accessory for 2024 plus Polaris Ranger XD 1500. Install time for this item is around 30 minutes and can be installed by yourself and comes in at a difficulty level of beginner. You will need the following tools for this project, so gather the tools needed and let's get to the install. Step 1. Set tire rack accessory on chase rack. Begin by placing the tire rack accessory onto the chase rack. Align the mounting studs with the slotted mounting holes on the chase rack. Step 2. Attach mounting hardware. Start by hand threading the provided nuts onto the mounting studs. Access to the studs is limited, so take your time during this step. Now that all of the nuts are hand-tight, use a drive ratchet with a 17mm socket to fully secure them. After completing one side, repeat the process on the opposite side. With this side complete, you can now repeat these steps on the opposite side. Step 3. Attach tie-down brackets. The tire rack accessory includes 3 tie-down brackets that can be secured using a 5mm hex tool. If you have any questions during the installation, feel free to contact us via phone or email. Our support team is here to help. To stay up to date on the latest DRT Motorsports products and events, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.